What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are pulling into Richard's Building Supply. It's funny, it's tucked behind this like residential neighborhood. It's in a kind of strange spot here. We are in Middletown, New York. We get some stuff out of this location. Most of it we get from the one closer to us, but my father asked me to stop here on my way up to the job site. They have some stuff for me apparently. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but let me run inside, grab my ticket, get the material, and see what we got. All right, guys, I'm up here at this job site now. I got here about an hour ago, and we unloaded my truck with the material that I picked up, and then we just finished lunch. We're getting back to work now, but I picked up this metal roofing. These are cut specifically to the size that you need. So those panels there are for this little roof here and that little side roof there. The front wraparound porch on the house will be getting metal roofing, the same style material but longer panels, and this stuff is cut to length before you pick it up, so you kind of order it the size that you need. So we have to frame the front porch and then give them the size, and they'll cut everything to length. I also picked up 2 boxes of aluminum J, and then there's some more aluminum or metal trim that goes with the roofing upstairs in the garage. One other thing I'll show you real quick is the staircase in the garage here. Got installed this morning. Looks very nice, fits perfect. We have a company that we use for all of our staircases, and we really never have any issues with them. But over on the house here, the roofers were here. They just left not too long ago. I'm assuming they went to get lunch, but they are making good progress on the back side of this house. They were excited that the weather watch and deck armor was already done on this side. They did not know that we were going to do that. We did it to keep it watertight because of the rain that was coming last night and early this morning. But they're making good progress. They're pretty much, they're like, I would say 80% done. That last corner up there will go quick, and then they can move over to the front, and then hopefully tomorrow they'll come and get it buttoned up. If they don't come tomorrow, it'd probably be Tuesday before they're back here, because Monday is Labor Day, so I'm assuming they're not working, and I really have no idea if they are working tomorrow. But we're going around and getting the walls sheathed today, plus some minor framing cleanup. But that's pretty much what is on our schedule for the rest of the day. Hopefully the rain holds off. It is currently misting, and you can see it gets swampy here real quick. This machine was starting to sink on us already, so we really don't want to be moving it around too much. We obviously had to lift the shingles up for these guys, but if we have to keep moving this thing, it's only going to get worse. But let me go work with these guys, and I'll give you guys an update before we pull out of here later.
Full sheet right out of there. Give me this one. Thank you, sir. Full sheet right in that corner. I got it. Yep. Right there. Whole piece, 8-footer.
Get it! Oh my god.
Hobby, we just had lunch. You don't need to eat your pencil.
Pencil?
To come tu lápiz. You need more comida?
Yeah, I need more.
Yeah, okay. All right, guys, we're starting to get cleaned up for the day. We got a lot of the first floor sheathing done. Pretty much all of it, I believe. I was upstairs for the last like half hour, so I got to check the front and the far corner. But obviously that side and the back here is complete. Shingles are done on the back of the roof. Those guys are papering the front right now, that way it's watertight. Whoa, it just sunk in the mud. Well, that sucks. Anyway, we got all of the gable studs in, plus this window is completely framed in on this side. Vicente is up on the other side finishing the window up in the attic space. Looks like all of the sheathing is on all the way around. Hopefully the front is complete. Looks like it. Yep. Oh, they got a little bit above the window here, a couple pieces, because these are 9-foot walls on the first floor, so that's why you have a little rip right there rather than just 2 sheets covering it. But let's go inside and I'll show you guys the master. Actually, I'll show you how far he is on this window up in the gable there. So almost done, but let's go take a look at the master real quick. So these guys got part of the ceiling done in here. You can see it's basically rafters, but these are only going up to the 10-foot height, and then it is a flat ceiling across. There will be rafters on both sides as well, so all 4 sides will slope to the flat ceiling, but it is starting to come along very nice. My father wants to get the homeowners in here and let them look at the ceiling before we finish it, make sure they're okay with the height. If they want to make any last minute changes on that, do it before we frame it. So pretty much where we're at. Monday is Labor Day. I think we are working on one of the jobs. The guys that want to work, we're letting them work. And then Tuesday, I'm going to be at my house pouring the slab in my backyard. Plus me and Rodrigo have to do a couple things at Sparrows, and I don't know if I'm going to make a video there. And then Wednesday, I will be back here with, I believe, 2 guys to finish the sheathing and getting this. You yelling at me? A hammer? I don't have a hammer. I got a sledgehammer. Here, use this. Here. That's it. Use this. That's all I got. That's all I got. Anyway, so on Tuesday at my house, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I'm going to be here with, I believe, 2 guys finishing the sheathing, getting things cleaned up, and then hopefully by that time the exterior is complete. It should be, and we can start working on interior side. Well, I say complete, I'm talking about plywood, not siding or anything like that. Obviously that is going to take some time, but it is nice having a roofing company here doing the roof for us, just taking a little bit of weight off of our shoulders and getting that buttoned up. But that is pretty much it for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.